So here is the iPhone 11 Pro dummy phone that they sent out to me to test out. And basically we're just gonna go through all these cases and see if you like them or not. And of course, links will be down below if you guys are interested in getting these cases. So here we go. We'll start off from the top to the bottom and see how everything goes, guys. So just a little quick video just to showcase the cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So here we go. This one is a navy blue leather case, which feels really great in the hand. It's got that nice rubbery texture feel to it. Actually, this is not leather. I'm sorry if I said it was leather, but it's not. It's got that rubbery, soft silicone feel to it. And inside here, it's suede. Hold on. Let me smell this first, guys. I want to see if it's leather or not. Hold on. Okay, so no, it's not leather, guys, but it feels like it's leather. So let's put this on, guys, and see what it looks like on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And there you go, that's what it looks like. And of course, at the bottom here, it is fully exposed. On the side, cover on your volume up and down and your power button. And then on the top, you do have a little bit of elevation on the side and top so that it will protect the front screen display. And that's pretty much what it looks like. It looks very nice. If you're into this style of case, this is an option for you guys that you might consider. So let's move on to the next case. And there you have it, guys. Very sleek looking, all blacked out with carbon fiber look-alike design right in the middle of the case. So once again, plenty of elevation all around, bottom, exposed, side, covered and exposed, and so forth. And your camera is pretty much well protected there, guys. All right, so next case. This one's kind of weird. I'm not really too sure if it's leather or synthetic. It does smell like leather though. So anyways, let's put this on and see what it looks like on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So there you have it. That's what it looks like. Very nice looking case once again. And on the bottom, fully exposed. On the side, you've got that silver button on the side there, extended on the case. And then your silent toggle switch there is exposed. And same on your power button there. You do have that silver button that comes with the case itself. And that's what it looks like, guys. Very nice looking case. This is a genuine leather case. As is stated there, genuine leather case. So it's a two-piece case. You got a hard plastic on the back, and then of course you've got the rubber silicone case right, like pretty much the entire case. And that plastic casing on the back is just a extra more protection. Okay, so let's put this on and see what it looks like. And there you have it. Looks really nice once again. Looking around, and you've got plenty of elevation on all four corners. There you go, guys. So the same pretty much as the brown one. Let's put this on so you guys have an idea what it looks like in this color. Okay. There you have it, guys. Very nice neutral color. Same thing at the bottom. Expose, cover, and that's what it looks like. Very nice looking case. I love the design on this, even though it's not a real leather, it's just straight up silicone case. And look at that protection you get out of it, guys. Fully protected everywhere, top, bottom, side, up and down, left and right. And the design on it looks really nice, guys. It's got the leather texture design. It's got that nice grip feel to it, which gives you that extra grip so it doesn't slide off from your hand when you're holding this. And overall, it looks amazing. It's got that brushed aluminum look to it with a carbon fiber on the top and bottom design. Made of silicone case, rubber / silicone. And that's what it looks like, guys. Nice, good looking case. The same thing on the side, bottom, top, and on the other side. And of course, it's got elevation all around the front screen display. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Just another quick video on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you guys are interested in this product, links will be down below, guys. So once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.